remember about the core principles. I mean, if something seems an article to you, then put it in an article. Don't put it in the div.
Okay.
Just this.
I was also meaning the area labels. So how do you manage that, like the proper way?
Yeah. So material UI has most of area attributes underneath anyway, but for some components you need to add area labels. How they enforce it gently is you have the copy-paste code examples and the area label is there. So you look at it and you see, okay, this needs an area role. What's the role of the component? It's search. It's usually search. You just put it because you're copy pasting, and this way it's super. It's difficult to forget. But also Material UI uses semantic components accordingly. So most of you wouldn't need to remember about area at all if you would just use vanilla HTML without super fancy crazy stuff going on and moving around with CSS and JS. I mean, CSS was introduced to help, and it's helping, but in some cases not so much. And the fact that we're doing some crazy JavaScripted animations instead of leveraging GPU by using CSS for animations, that's another topic. Did I answer your question?
Yes. Also, a question about ESLint rules. Are there any ESLint rules for ARIA or something? Because I think they are.
On some components, it automatically reminds you about ARIA. I'm not aware about specific set of rules for this particular reason. It is more complicated because the accessibility of the page shouldn't be achieved solely by using ARIA. I mean, if you have to use ARIA, it means you screwed up at the beginning.
So mostly you're relying on the semantic of the HTML tags.
That's what we should do.
Okay, thank you.
In my opinion. We can argue. Okay, looks like that's all in terms of questions. Thank you very much. I hope you like it.
Okay, everyone, so now we'll do the draw. There are 3 prizes, which we promised at the very beginning. So let's just give us some space. Okay, I don't need to use the microphone. Let's get this set up. So just a reminder, headphones, app.js, app.conf.js ticket, and 30% off for app.js conf. So first of all, we will draw the headphones. But for that I need a list of people who actually answered correctly. And I believe I have this list. As promised, yes, it's here. So we have 7 people who answered correctly.
What was the correct answer?
Aha.
Aha.
Aha. So the correct answer was there is a thing called share split, and Apple had a few of them. So that means all you had to do is multiply the 1000 at the very beginning by the factor in which the shares were split, and that's the answer. Any questions? Okay, so now that we have this out of the way, first draw. So if there is someone on the stream that took part in this draw and the stream is working again, so we'll be watching for comments, and if someone doesn't answer, we'll draw again. So let's start. Headphones first. Do we have Tomasz S in the audience? Okay. You can collect your headphones after the draw. So now the conference tickets, but I would like to ask Paulina from Software Mansion to talk about the conference before we do the draw. So
Should I stay here?
yes.
Okay. So hi, I'm Paulina, as you know. I work in Software Mansion, so one for above, and we're organizing Up.js Conf for the second time. It's happening in 2 weeks here in Kraków, and it's a conference focused on React Native and Expo. It's a 2-day event plus 1 day for workshops. So we're covering topics like the new React Native architectures, migrating to Fabric, apps performance done by Michał, I think, yeah, app security. So basically you can see the full agenda on our website, and now you can win 1 ticket for the conference.
Thank you. So let's see what happens. Do we have Marcin W in the audience? We don't.
Who wants to be Martin?
Let's wait for.
Let's wait because we have a little delay with
Yes.
streaming, so let's wait. I guess Martin is online with us.
He is.
Let's just wait for him to confirm. Yeah.
Okay. Congrats.
Martin.
Congrats.
Wherever you are.
And last bit, 30% off the ticket. Piotr, are you in the... Okay, so you can chat with Paulina. Okay. Thank you, everyone. It was a pleasure hosting you, and I hope we can see each other next time. Thank you.
Powiem Ci, że na świętej próbie od 12 było lepiej niż myślałem. Serio, w sensie jakby... Tak, na próbie jak robiliśmy, byłaś o wiele bardziej i było o wiele lepiej. W ogóle nie było no, bardzo mało.
Bardzo fajne były takie smaczki, takie całe. Może było, a was nie ma. Mega, zarobiste.
Naprawdę się spięłam, by mi powiedziałaś. Zmieniły się wszystkie kolory i nikt nie wie.
Ale no bo wiesz jak to, ja nie wiem, takie kurwa zmieniło się, nie zmieniło, nie wiem.
Ja zauważyłem, że się zmieniła, ale nie wiedziałem, o co ci chodzi. Kolory